Tell them what you're eating.
I'm eating, this is rub from a tree. It lives inside a tree. Supposedly it tastes like bacon. I'm only hoping it tastes like bacon. There it goes. Very oily. Here we go, ready?
How is it? Is it chewy?